Hello, this is the CWI Part A sample question lecture. We went over number 1, number 2, and today I'm going to go over this. I'm going to review number 3. Which of the following non-destructive testing methods are limited to the detection of the surface discontinuities? So number A, visual inspection; B, liquid penetrant test; C, radiographic test; and D, A and B above. So the correct answer could be visual inspection and liquid penetrant test. The reason why the answers are A and B are here. I'm looking at welding inspection technology, WIT, and here is the contents, and chapter 10, visual inspection and other NDE method and symbols. So simply I used the search and I type penetrant. Oops. Then it finds penetrant result, and here penetrant test, and this is chapter 10. One more searching. Penetrant testing. In general terms, penetrant testing reveals surface discontinuity. So that's why the answer can be liquid penetrant test, but this is surface discontinuity. So by using your visual eyes, visual inspection can detect surface discontinuity. So that's why the answer is A and B. So correct answer is D. David, D. And number 4, suitable clothing materials for welding and cutting are number A, 65% cotton and 35% polyester; B, wool; C, chemically treated cotton; and D, B and C. So possible answer can be chemically treated cotton and wool. And again, let's go to WIT. This is suitable clothing. So you go to contents. Clothing is something like safety practice and welding inspectors. So simply I type wool. Then you find here protective clothing. Woolen clothing is preferable to cotton because it is not so readily ignited. And cotton clothing, blah blah blah. And here again, chemically treated to reduce its combustibility. So the right answer is woolen, and C, chemically treated cotton. So right answer is B and C. Thus correct answer is D. Again, D, David, B and C. Number 5, what weld metal discontinuity result when the welder fails to completely fill the weld groove? So fill the weld groove, discontinuity result. So the key word is fails completely, fill. Then this is underfill. And again, let's go to WIT. And I simply type underfill. And here is the underfill, and type underfill again. underfill. Here is the description of the underfill. Before I read the description, underfill is the discontinuity or defect. Then where you find here word and base method discontinuities. This is chapter 9. Chapter 9. So let's go to description of underfill. Underfill, like undercut, is a surface discontinuity which results in a loss of internal cross-section. However, underfill occurs in the word matter of a groove word, whereas undercut is found in the base matter adjacent to the word. In simple terms, underfill results when there is not sufficient filler matter deposit to adequately fill the word joint. Not sufficient adequately fill the word joint and groove. That's why the answer is underfill. Undercut could be the answer if there is no word like something like this groove. So the correct answer for number 5 is underfill A. So I'm gonna stop here today. I'm gonna meet you guys next time. Thank you.